When it comes to creating wealth in stock market, it looks very easy, but it is not easy as we think. Because buying a right stock, selecting a right stock, it is not easy for all the investors. It is not a cakewalk. You should have right knowledge, you should have enough skills, so you should do enough research, then only you can buy a right stock. Along with that, you should hold them during the falling market. You should hold them during the correction time. For that, you should require a lot of conviction. You should have a lot of confidence. Then only you can hold them. Then only you can create wealth in stock market. That's why most of the retail investors, they will fail in equity market. Along with that, one biggest problem with retail investors is they will invest based on the short term sentiments. One good news will make them very greedy. One bad news will create a lot of panic in the retail investors. In that time, they will sell their portfolio and they will exit from the stock market. That's why most of the retail investors, they fail in stock market. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about 5 quality stocks where domestic institutional investors, where mutual fund houses are, they are bullish about these stocks. They are buying these stocks on a consistent basis. They don't buy any stock simply. When stock has got strong fundamental, strong business, strong future growth, then only they will buy the stocks, then only they will hold them. Once they buy any stocks, they will hold the stocks for minimum 5 years. If you are holding that stock, it will give you more confidence. Let's get started. The first stock in the list is which is SBI card. Currently stock is trading 860, which is 30% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 69%. Foreign portfolio investors, they're currently having a shareholding of 8.45%. If you look at the DIs from last 4-5 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 5.97%, 6.69%, 9.71%, 11.92%, 12.41%, 16.24%, 16.99%, 17.72%, 17.47%. Friends, during the correction time, DIs, they are consistently buying these stocks. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 36, which is below its median PE. Long-term investors can buy the stock with a long-term prospect. The next stock in the list is which is Infosys, one of the leading IT company in India. As we know that IT stocks are having very tough time nowadays because there is a slowdown in US economy which has impacting in IT stocks. That's why IT stocks are having very tough time. Currently stock is trading 1260, which is 35% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 15.14%. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 35%. If you look at the DIs from last 4-5 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 15.66%, 16.31%, 17.10%, 18.88%, 32.13%, 32.50%, 33.59%. Friends, during the correction time, during the falling market, DIs are buying the stock. They are very bullish about Infosys. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 20, which looks very attractive. Long-term investors can buy this stock with a long-term prospect. The third stock in the list is which is Dixon Technology, leader in manufacturing industry. Currently stock is trading 46% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 34%. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 12%. If you look at the DIs from last 4-5 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 7.60%, 7.98%, 8%, 18.59%, 18.92%, 23.76%. DIs are consistently buying this stock. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 72, which looks very attractive. Long-term investors can buy the stock with a long-term prospect. The next stock in the list is which is Avenue Supermart. It's none other than DMart. Currently stock is trading 3,683, which is 30% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, if you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 74.93%, which is very good. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 8.17%. If you look at the DIs, from last 4-5 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 6.74%, 6.77%, 6.88%, 7.04%, 7.11%, 7.49%. Friends, if you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading a P of 100, which is below its median PE. Long-term investors can buy the stock with a long-term prospect. The next stock in the list is, which is Trent Limited. If you look at the promoters holding, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 37%. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 24.43%. If you look at the DIs, from last 4-5 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 11.15%, 12.47%, 13.43%, 14.58%, 15.16%, 16.11%, 16.10%. Friends, if you summarize the stocks, the first one is SBI Card, second one is Dixon Technology, third one is DMart, Infosys, Trent Limited. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you so much.